I don't know, I do like watching yung mga videos na what in chismosa lang yun.
No si Balasti.
A hand cream from Melbourne, from that hotel. Hello. Hotel NINAKAW.
Ninakaw niyo sa hotel, guys.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Jovey's channel.
Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel.
Oh, so you don't
once
like
again.
You don't like my intro.
It's okay. It's acceptable. Welcome back to our channel again, guys. And as you can see, nandito na naman ang ating favorite guest. Ayan. It's because we're both working in the office again today. And it is Thursday. Yeah?
Yeah.
Thursday. And it's 5:30 na ng hapon and kaya kami nagba-vlog kasi kami na lang dalawa yung iwan. Kung may ibang tao dito, hindi kami nagba-vlog, guys.
Yung cleaner ko, andyan na, nagbabakin na yung cleaner. Andrew?
And nandito na naman kami sa aming boardroom because yung aming
Sound. Yeah.
Soundbox? Sound system or something. It's still on, guys. Hindi namin alam kung paano i-off. Baka makapiright tayo. Kaya kami na lang nag-adjust. You know? That's life. Adjust pag may time. Anyways, for today's video, guys, napag-isipan ko na since hindi pa natin ito nagawa sa channel natin before, then we'll do it right now. Why not?
Really? I thought we have. No?
No.
Ah, we're supposed
We planned.
We planned like
Yeah.
a
We've been
video
thinking.
camera, like lockdown, diba?
Yeah, that's right. So
What? Okay.
now, I'm just gonna, I asked my bestie if it's okay for him ipakita yung laman ng kanyang bag, yung work bag niya and all. Kasi, I don't know, it's, this, kind of videos interest me.
Yeah, same.
Like, yeah.
I don't know, I do like watching yung mga videos na what in chismosa lang yun.
No si Balasti. But yeah, that's very interesting to see parang kung anong laman ng ibang anong laman ng bag ng ibang
Hindi ko
tao.
mag-get over sa no si Balasti.
No si Balasti. Oh my god. So yeah, kaya this afternoon is the afternoon. Today is the day na gagawin natin yan, guys. And I'm very happy, thank you. Kasi pinaunlakan, grabe, Tagalog, pinaunlakan mo yung natin na what's in your work bag, what's in your bag when you go to work. So come here, let me put it
So
here.
what's in
Okay,
my
first,
work bag? So I carry...
move here, I'll give you the spotlight.
I actually carry 2 bags. Well, I did try carry the backpack.
Go around.
Even though it was leather, it was a good backpack, but I was like, nah, it's not me. I don't know why I bought it. I don't know, I just like the leather. I think so. I carried it to work. I went to work, and I was like, nah, I'd rather So I carried 2 bags. One for my personal.
The first one.
That's for my personal.
Yeah.
Belongings, personal stuff, and one for my laptop bag.
Bongga.
Oh yes.
So start with that one.
Start with this. So, just like a little pouch. I got this from you, boss. It was on sale on Christmas, so I got that. So, oh my God, really? Okay, like open? Crap! I'm not ready.
Closer here.
I'm not ready. Whoa.
You were getting personal here.
I don't know. Crap. It was like.
First one.
What? Oh God, bro. I got a sunnies.
Okay, B. We'll have a look at.
That's girl. That's cheap. I don't know. Like I'm not the person that buys expensive sunglasses because I wear I wear a prescription.
Is this prescription?
Yung my grado. But I feel like as much as I want to buy Gucci, but I don't know. I just don't have.
This is good enough. This is perfect. It looks really nice. You don't have to get
I'd rather buy a bracelet, I think, or something. I don't know. but sunglasses.
Yeah.
So
It's not a priority.
Yeah. Oh, mask.
Of course.
Of course.
That's everyone has got.
Oh
masks
shit!
on their
Social
bags, I think.
distancing. So mask.
Did you just realize that?
Oh no, crap. So my phone.
Yeah. Your phone, yeah. iPhone 12 Pro Max.
Yeah.
Hello. You're gonna be my phone soon. Soon.
Because they could not say what.
I know people.
So there's like 3 compartments. You got the bed, and then that whatever there for easy access choo with coins and battery. I don't know why. So
What's the battery for?
and we got battery. Hello, alam na. If you need battery
You
or
took it
emergency. No, this is for my mouse actually.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and I got coins.
Coins.
So there's like a zipper compartment and there's a compartment.
Okay.
And there's another choo.
Okay.
So we'll open first. So I got a hand cream from Melbourne from that hotel. Hello. Hotel NINAKAW.
NINAKAW is hotel, guys. But it smells so good. Seriously, I tried it this
You
morning.
can't blame me to NINAKAW it. It's nice and it's Melbourne and it's cute packaging.
No, the thing is as well, but it's free, yeah?
Girl, I paid for the freaking hotel. This is mine.
Yeah, but it's free, yeah?
Yeah.
I mean, like you can use it inside.
Yeah, it's yours.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah.
You know. Ooh, this is cute. Hand sanitizer. It's thin.
Oh,
For-
that's cool.
For thin.
Nice, Rodani.
I wish it's refillable, di?
Dili?
No, wala na. Gabon siguro na to. Ano to? No, it's nice because like hindi siya bulky.
Yeah.
I got my earpods.
AirPods.
Ear, right?
Yeah.
Not AirPods. What is the AirPod?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Whatever.
Something.
Para sa dalunggan, guys. Muna to siya.
Gay!
Nagupa.
That way.
Ay, daw.
Why would you
There
wash
you
up?
go. Yeah, I've got nothing. Guys, I can't afford this.
I'm not in the screen anymore.
I don't really. Come here. I don't really need, or I don't really use the earphones and all that. So I think it's going to be a waste of money if I get that one.
My glossies, no?
Yeah.
Damn it.
The beach.
I got dental floss. Hello.
Do you use dental floss?
Yeah.
Do you use dental floss at work?
Yeah, when I eat like
While working.
when I eat beef or whatever, I don't know.
Do you like, you're worse than me. Like you have
God.
more than me.
Yes, girl. I'm a girl. Well, car keys.
Car keys. There's that.
I got work keys. You know, and I got a house key.
Wait, ano bang keys?
So because nakaganyan siya kasi I don't want to have like a big thing because like if I go out just carry this, right? And if I just want to go to the grocery, I don't need this lang.
Yeah.
And then I just want to go to work this and just leave it in my car. So I know that there's people out there yung sabi nila, mawawala yan, but wala pa naman. So, you know what I mean? Like if I go out, I just need the house keys, and if I go to the grocery or whatever, I just bring these, and I just need these
Mine
for
are all
work, really.
together.
What's this for?
For the bank. The money in the bank. I don't know what that's for.
This? Do you have this?
No, I don't think so. I don't know, maybe that's for the, no. I was thinking about the mailbox. But yeah, that would be too big for the mailbox.
Maybe the entrance. Oh, we got this money one. I don't know. Well, it's there. Maybe it's not there. I don't know. Lip gloss. I got this organic lip gloss from the organic place called Hurrah. Whatever. It's a nice thing.
Yeah.
Hurrah. And a perfume. At the moment, that's my favorite perfume.
A Chanel.
It's perfume of the
Oh, it
month.
smells so good.
Perfume of the month or perfume of 2 months. So yeah, that's one zip empty and that's just coins in there. So
Yeah. Gee, you fit a lot in there.
I know. So we're on to the next. What's this? Oh, this is my eyeglasses.
You have two?
Yeah, it's like this is the old prescription. And
Yeah.
I don't like this. No. This is from my home because the screen is so little.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so I just
Oh, that's for reading.
yeah. Got that. Got a wallet.
Yeah. Card holder.
Small card holder with the cards.
With cards on. Patanga ko ba?
With the cards. Nothing special there. Got just a jewelry case.
Just for the Cartier.
Jewelry.
Cartier.
It's from a ring. Strepsils. Because, you know.
Sore throat.
And then the glass cloth thingy cleaner.
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow.
And yes, that's it. That's
cool.
what's in my bag.
And then be some abog, some dust.
And then just my Goyard,
Oh, it's nice.
my Goyard laptop bag.
And that's a laptop. There you go.
That's pretty much.
There you go.
Nothing there. So yes, that's
Jeez.
what I have in my bag. Just essentials.
You bring a lot.
And that's
with
like
you.
a jump pack.
I'm actually gonna show mine quickly. Because yeah, we gotta be quick because we have to pick up baby Paris from childcare, guys. Anong oras na? Baka, hintay na yung bata doon. Yeah. But yes, so
what's
yeah, I'm just gonna show you
your-
mine quickly, guys. Kasi wala naman talagang laman yung bag ko. So this is the bag that I use today because may anong tawag dito, yung laptop ko kasya dito, guys. Kasama
Mine's
yung mga
coming. Mine's on the way.
yung laptop, tsaka yung ano tawag dito, yung keyboard, tsaka yung mouse kasya dito. Kaya ito yung ginagamit ko na
So this is small.
This
is small.
Yeah, that's
Medium.
small.
No, and then there's a nano. There's like
Yeah, I don't
super
like
small.
that.
Yeah.
I don't like
so
that.
cute.
This one, I think this one is perfect size for me.
So you got the Christian Dior. What's this?
Buktot. Wow.
So the Dior book tote with personalization machine. Whatever.
Yeah. But yeah, nilabas ko lang yung laptop.
If pag binenta mo to, you need to make sure that the person is Jovey.
Yeah. Probably you have to.
Or me, I don't care. I'll buy one. It doesn't matter if it's say Glenda. I'm like, hey Glenda, it's my mom.
Yeah, no.
So
doesn't
what's
matter.
in your bag?
Yeah, I don't think I'm going to sell it anyways.
No.
It's a forever bag for me.
Yeah.
So, ayan guys. So, hindi ko pa nilagay yung aking mga gamit dito. Nandun pa sa labas kasi wala lang.
Upgrading.
Anyways, guys, I'm not very organized person like Ron knows that. Hindi talaga ako organized. This one here, yung nakalagay lang sa bag ko ngayon is that first one is so, bumili ako ng donuts for lunch. And then, merong naiwan ito half and I'm gonna give it to Paris when I pick her up.
Kinamin yung apat. So half the...
Hindi, siya yung kumain ng apat. Half na lang naiwan for Paris. And then the next one is this one. So, nilalagay ko talaga ito siya sa bag kasi when I pick up Paris, yung kamay niya sobrang sticky and all that. So, this helps. Ayan. And then, I've got my phone, my old phone, my good old phone.
iPhone 12.
I know. I've got my mask, as everyone else. Alam kong meron kayo mga mask sa bag.
Yeah.
I've got some papers, pinint ko siya today. Kasi I just realized na yun bang yung ang tawag ito, yung travel fund ko from Cebu Pacific and Air Asia. Ang tawag ito, yung biyahe ko sana, biyahe namin. Last year.
Is that a voucher?
Yeah, it's just a travel fund. I just wanna make sure na meron akong ganito parang copy para hindi ko makalimutan. But chinek ko lang kasi
But like, they're
kanina,
not giving you the money, just giving you the ticket.
Yeah, that's right. It's just a credit. But it says here na yung expiry date pala is not until 2022. So, you know.
Gusto yung code?
But yeah, yan yung
Or maklaim nyo?
And then I've got this pouch.
You a lot.
I don't normally bring yung mga makeup sa work, guys, kasi hindi talaga ako nagta-touch up or anything. Lalo na ngayon na I'm pregnant and I don't really feel like...
There's no point. People don't... It's like all guys here and they're all like our brother. They're like our...
Yeah, no, the thing is as well, I don't really... Especially now, I don't really put makeup on, so there's, well, touch up.
So this... What size is this?
GM.
GM.
Yeah, it's a GM. It's the monogram print. Anyways. So, ito yung laman niya. Ayan. So, ayan sa loob.
What do you have there? Ooh.
Okay. So, the first one is this, MAC.
Is that MAC?
Ano tawag ito? Press powder. What's my shade, T?
NC47.
Uy, grabe.
NC30.
NC30. Oh, diba? And then, I've got my...
Shimmer. Curlash?
Yeah. Lash curler. No, it's
Revlon?
Bobbi Brown.
I got
Shimura. I've got... Then, wala nang yung cover. I've got this one. It's very cheap, guys. This one is from Rimmel, I think. So this is the blush. I really like it because it's very natural.
Where's the cover girl?
I don't know, cover girl. That's Rimmel. It's not cover girl. Right. And then I've got my mascara. This is my...
Ever.
That's... Isn't that? That's my... That's
no, I don't.
No.
That's the Maybelline.
No, this is the mascara I've been using since forever, guys. The Essence one. This is the cheapest mascara I ever used, but ito talaga yung nag-work sa akin. It really works on my, my, what do you call it? Lashes. Yeah. This is my brush, dirty brush to be exact. And this is from Real Techniques. Ayan. Para yan sa ating blush on. And then this is my eyebrow pencil from L'Oreal.
Spoolie and everything. Is it spoolie?
Yeah, yeah. And then this is the lipstick that I bought recently, guys. I showed it in my previous video kasi nga ito siya, 'di ba? Sabi ko sa inyo, ito siya. Kasi pumupunta ako ng work, hindi ako nagme-makeup, and then sabi niya, why can't you just put lipstick on para naman daw hindi ako masyadong pale tingnan. So that's why I got that lipstick, and I just dab a little bit, guys. Ayan, today wala na naman tayong makeup, whatever, guys.
Natural.
And then the last one here is
my dream lotion.
Chanel hand cream. Like, I can't afford this one, guys, huh? But my friend, Ate Ana, hi Ate Ana, Bakanaman, next time. She gifted me this, which I'm very grateful, kasi sino ba naman bibigay sa'yo ng Chanel?
Everyone's got that. Love it.
Yeah. And I don't really, use it a lot. Hindi ko siya nakikita, guys. Hindi ko siya naiisip.
There's actually a black one.
Yeah. It smells so good though, no? Smells so good. And that's the end. Tingnan nyo. Very dirty, guys. Oh, kasi walang cover ba? Nag-pink-pink na siya sa loob. Oh.
Talk to me dirty.
Yeah, talk dirty to me.
Oh.
Talk to me dirty.
Oh, shit. That sounded wrong.
And then, and the last one here, my keys. My car keys and my whatever keys and all. Normally, pag hindi ko dala yung laptop ko, guys, I tend to wear or use smaller handbag. Pero pag kailangan kong ilagay yung laptop ko, guys, and obviously I need a bigger bag para makasya silang lahat.
Yeah, same. Like I should carry like a bigger one, but I was like, nah.
Yeah.
Be cute is more important than bringing a backpack. I rather struggle. Yeah, I rather struggle. Like I'm okay with struggling. I'm literally struggling
as
in the morning.
As long as I look cute.
Yeah, because in the morning I bring coffee. I bring sometimes lunch. Sometimes.
Yeah. Sometimes.
I bring sometimes lunch. So I got like my laptop bag, this bag, the container, and then coffee.
Yeah.
And then I don't know, just everywhere. But you gotta look cute.
Yeah, I know.
Doesn't matter. So yeah,
that's the main thing. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed na kalkalin yung mga gamit ng bestie natin. And yeah, we really hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, please, if you like it. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all guys in the next video. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't,
be careful.
Bye.